Welcome back, you guys. It is Tuesday now. Today I've been doing some Depop stuff. Just finished that up, so that was kind of like my work that I wanted to get done for today. So finished that, and now me and Sean are about to go do a little bit of thrifting. I want to try and find maybe like a couple cool pieces for Electric Forest and just for some stuff coming up later this summer if I can. I really haven't been thrifting in a long while. My bra is kind of showing through my shirt, not exactly the cutest, but this is my new camera, by the way. Here she is. It looks the same as my old camera, but I got a little pink silicone case for it, which I really like because I'm just honestly trying to protect it as much as possible from scratches and all the things. And I put the little screen protector on the back and all that jazz. Matches with my little pink hat today. So let's thrift. Back in the Fozzie together. You really haven't been in a vlog in so long.
Yeah, I know.
It's been like, I think it's been like potentially 2 months or something like that. Well, what have you been up to? No one's even seen you. Like, where have you been?
Just the usual at your house and working.
Yeah, we actually are together literally every day, so he hasn't really been anywhere. Right now we're gonna go to Restyle, which I can't remember if I vlogged there before. I think I actually have vlogged there before. Maybe in like Vlogmas I went there one day. But we're gonna go drop off some donations that I have, and then I have been dropping off donations there for the past like few weeks, and they have this like punch card that if you spend $50 and then you donate 5 separate times, then you get 50% off. So this is my last time and get 50% off. So hopefully they have some good stuff this time because I've been really waiting a long time for this.
Thrift store right there.
There's another thrift store right here, the Idaho Youth Ranch. I've been to the Youth Ranch. It's pretty good, but I've never been to that one.
Oh.
Wow, the colors look so much better on my new camera. It's like so much clearer. I'm just gonna film the road, the clouds actually. It's really beautiful. All right, we're here, Restyle Animal Rescue Thrift Store. So the cool thing about this place is you can bring your pets, number one, and I'm pretty sure they donate all their profits to animal rescue. So we could have brought Squirtle, I guess, but this is my last final 5th bag of donations that I'm bringing in. And I also have a couple, Sean's holding them, I have a couple art pieces that I'm donating. What did you find?
Found my
It has a little feather.
outdoorsman hat.
That's gorgeous.
Some cummerbunds for your tuxedo.
So we have just started shopping. They're making some sort of like a store announcement. I don't know what's going on. 75% off yellow tags. We're turning up. We gotta get shopping. They have a lot. They have a whole downstairs. The girl stuff is over there. I'm probably gonna be looking around for a little while.
I'm gonna get. I need a new pair.
A little pair of boots. You want me to put on my hat and boots? I can't get over how much I love my new camera and not having to move the lens open every time I film like I had to with my old crappy camera. The lens was kind of broken, the lens cover. But anyway, we just finished shopping at Restyle. It was okay. It wasn't as good as I've found things in the past. I found like 5 things that I do like, but I was hoping to find more because I waited so long to get like the 50% off, and I was hoping I was gonna just find a bunch of cool things, but I really didn't find that much good stuff. 5 things. Anyway, we came to get some tacos, a little bit of Mexican food at Baja Fresh. So we're sitting outside. It's a really pretty day. It was freezing in there, so we're like, oh, why don't we just come sit outside? So I just got my tacos. I got 2 fire roasted chicken tacos. Sean's going to get napkins. And he got a burrito, and we have some chips and olive. Literally, he went crazy at the salsa bar. So we got like 5 different salsas. But yeah, we're just gonna have some food. I've actually never had their tacos, so hopefully these are yumma. There's a Tesla in front of us. A Model X.
You know, there's actually a decent amount of Teslas here now. There used to only be 2, and they were owned by the same person. And they had the license plate Tesla 1, and the other license plate was Tesla 2.
Didn't we get picked up by that Tesla Lyft that one time? Yeah. By that guy?
Yeah.
We've gotten picked up by a Lyft that was a Tesla, and it was like the cheapest Lyft too, and I was like, how is this even? And he let us bring the dogs in and everything. We had Squirtle. I've only been in a Tesla that one time.
Me too.
With that Lyft, and it was a very short ride. But he was really cool.
There's a kid at my work that has a Tesla Model X. Well, the kid doesn't have it.
The little kid has...
Yeah, like he can't even reach the pedals yet.
His parents already got it for him, saving it for when he's 16.
Talk about privileged.
We ended up going to another thrift store, the Idaho Youth Ranch. I didn't vlog in there because they were about to close, but we did end up finding like actually probably better stuff there. Okay guys, we just got home. We wanted to, the dogs are really excited right now. You might hear their little paws, but we wanted to show you what we got because we didn't really end up showing you anything. We're gonna do a little try on haul featuring Lindsay and Sean. Okay, very nice. An elephant. It's very, you know, boho. I love that. I feel like it fits really nicely. Probably gonna wear that for Shambhala, which we are going to, our first Canadian festival experience, our first Shambhala. Got this little Eddie Bauer zip up. Nothing crazy, but it was in really good condition. I thought it would be cute. What's your next piece?
I got this shirt from the Newport Surf Company, but I got it at the thrift store.
That's a very good color on you. Really brings out your eyes.
I like shirts.
Matches with your socks right now.
And it's just comfy.
I like that.
And then I also got this hat. That's just like for the USA triathlon, something or other. Next thing, I also got this for Depop because I thought someone would enjoy it, but it's like would be a bit big on me. But it's a Fila windbreaker, and it's like a forest green color. Back up a little bit. It's even got the inner lining.
Yeah, I thought it was in really good condition, so I thought I should definitely get it for someone. So that honestly looks really good on Sean. So if he doesn't end up keeping that, I will be selling that on Depop, but I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay guys, I actually did end up finding and purchasing an official Trader Joe's crew member hoodie. It's a crew neck. Honestly, it doesn't look like it's ever been worn, maybe once, and then the person quit or something. I don't want people to necessarily think I work at Trader Joe's. I just support Trader Joe's. So I just got it. I don't know, might list it on Depop, might not. Let me know if you guys think I should list this or if I should keep it myself, because honestly, it's a really just comfortable, cute little sweatshirt. What are you modeling now?
Another Depop item, an Adidas sweater.
Looks like a hood wrap. Put that down. More than you already normally look like a hood wrap.
Cute boy inside of it, so that's a major selling point.
Beautiful. It's in very good condition. Like I saw the bottom of it and I was like,
inside is
doesn't even look like anyone's worn this. Alright, this next piece was probably my favorite thing that I found the whole day. I found this really cool vintage Columbia kind of like thick jacket windbreaker. It has this electric neon yellow on the inside and then hot pink, and it actually fits me pretty well. I might end up keeping this for my personal collection. I couldn't decide. I just knew I either wanted to keep this for myself or sell it. So what do you think?
It looks good.
I really like it.
Mine next?
Oh wow, look, you put on my pants.
My next item.
Oh my god, they actually fit you. I haven't tried them on.
Super well.
Maybe you should wear those at Shambhala. Those are cute.
No, but these are Lindsay's.
They have little elephants. Sean is modeling them, as you can tell, so beautifully. Those actually looks really good on you. Do they have a little pocket on the side or no?
No little pocket. How does my butt look?
Oh, it looks voluptuous. I also found this San Francisco 49ers. This is the 49ers, right?
Yeah.
This 49ers windbreaker as well, with a little pocket in the front. I got this specifically for Depop because honestly I don't really care about sports, but I thought that it was cute and that somebody would want it. So some good thrift store finds today. Oh wow, is this the final look? Give me that full look. Smokey's in this. This is beautiful, very festival, very boho. The sunglasses were added to complete the look.
Idaho Youth Ranch does Coachella.
Oh yeah. So this is what we were telling you about. The bottom of the pants has a little elephant print. I might end up wearing these at Electric Forest.
They might get dirty.
Our dogs really are excited to see us. You guys are gonna be like the stars of this vlog. The smoke is back. The smoke and the squirt.
Oh, the squirt's too fast to catch on.
And the last thing I got, which I won't even try on because it's, you know, really not that exciting. You want to just hold it up? I just got this because it was 97 cents and it was yellow and I thought it was kind of cute. Just a little pocket tee. I actually got it because it says Lindsey on the tag. I don't know who Lindsey Blake is, but apparently a t-shirt designer.
Some inferior Lindsey.
So that's the stuff we found today. I think it was a pretty good loot, a pretty good haul. I didn't really plan on getting any stuff for Depop, but whenever I go thrifting, I just end up finding stuff that's, you know, not my size or not necessarily my style, but that I still think is like super cool. So I always look for pieces to pick up, even though I have a ton of personal inventory right now. So who knows when any of this stuff is gonna be up. That's our loot for today. If you enjoyed our haul, give the vlog a thumbs up. I think we're just gonna chill, hang out with the dogs.
Meanwhile, Smokey is just licking this hand.
They play this multiple times a day, every day.
He got
you?
He got me good on that one.
Look. Oh my god. The way he just looked at the camera. Babe, make funny faces at the camera. Babe, you have to see these faces he's making.
Oh, now we got both of them going. Look.
Oh my god. Double. Alright guys, it is Wednesday now and I thought I would bring you into my bedroom with my unmade bed because I got a couple of things in the mail today for my room that I'm gonna be hanging up, and hopefully they'll just look good because I'm really in the stages of like trying to complete my room. It's been a very long process. I got a couple of things in the mail today that I'm gonna be hanging on my wall. So the first is a tapestry that I ordered from Urban Outfitters. Let me see if I can like show you guys the gist of what it looks like. Okay, perfect. That is what this big empty wall space was waiting for, basically a tapestry. And I really went back and forth for such a long time. Like, I don't know why I couldn't decide which one to get. I don't know if I want like a nature tapestry or I want like a mandala. That seems kind of like basic and I've had that in my rooms before. Why don't I get something more interesting? So I went on urbanoutfitters.com and I ended up finding this one on sale for $29 instead of $49, so it's $20 off, and I actually think for an Urban Outfitters tapestry that's a pretty good price. So if you guys are interested, I will link this one below. When I looked, they were having a sale on like the wall art and tapestries, and I also got my little closet that's in my room, the little kind of like shoe closet. I don't keep too much in there, but I wanted something to cover it, so I actually ended up getting this curtain, also from urbanoutfitters.com. I tried to put these both through the dryer because I was too lazy to iron them, but this one still stayed really wrinkly, so I might honestly iron it. But we're just gonna see how it looks hung up first. So this is actually a window curtain. It's just like a sheer white with silver stars, and I just thought this was kind of like majestic and it was really pretty, so I got this to try for over here because this is a really long little guy. I'm gonna have to go get a chair because I'm definitely not gonna be able to reach as high as I need for this. Okay. One side up, hopefully. It looks a little bit loose. It's not completely centered in the wall because I was, oh, well, I guess I covered it anyway. I was trying not to cover this, but I guess I covered it anyway. But when my door opens, I don't want it to be covering a bunch of it, so I kind of made it like a slight bit off center. But that's what it looks like for now. I like how it has the little orangey hues that kind of pick up on these colors in the wall over here, and then how it has the pink that picks up on over here. Bye.
I'm gonna put the grill on the corn. The corn on the grill.
Okay, Sean's grilling for us. I just hung up my tapestry. Do you want to see?
Ooh, it looks really good.
I really like it. So now I'm gonna go over and this is the rod that I got for the curtain. It's just a tension rod. You can order these from Amazon in like multiple different colors and multiple different sizes. So unfortunately, I think I actually got the wrong size for this tiny little door area because it's actually not even like 2 feet long. It's too long for right here. I'm gonna put it on the wall behind. I'll just show you guys when it's finished. I hope it doesn't look bad. If it looks bad, I might return the rod and get a smaller size. But this was, I think, the smallest size that they had, an intention rod, and it was like pretty cheap, so that's why I got it. But anyway, I'm gonna do this right now. My bed would look so much cuter if it was made right now. Like, I don't know why I'm so lazy that I didn't make my bed today. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make it right now.
Sitting all alone, mouth full of gum in the driveway. My friends aren't.
All right, that definitely looks a little bit better. It's very pink and purple. Sometimes I feel like my room is so young looking. I don't know when exactly I'll transition to having like a white, everything white, and then like pops of gray, you know, like adult room. I guess my old room was kind of like that. It had a few pops of color, but it was more like classy. But honestly, I don't know. I was just feeling like I needed some pink in my life. All right, I'm gonna actually hang up the closet thingy now. I tied the curtain onto the rod. Sorry, this lighting is not ideal. You guys are perched up on the corner of my bed, and I'm a little bit worried about the tripod right now. But we are going to try this. Oh. Dropped something already, great. Dropped another thing. Things are not going great so far. Come in!
Hello.
I'm trying to do this thing right now.
Are you doing it for the vlog?
Yeah.
Watch Lindsay try
I'm trying to film it. I need it to be higher.
Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, okay. Let's see.
It looks good.
Does it look good?
I don't know. What do you guys think?
I feel like I don't like how
It
it's
would be
back
better.
there.
But
I don't like how it's back there.
It doesn't look terrible. Do you want me to start the chicken, or are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
I love you.
All right, I want to know what you guys think. Maybe I should get, I really like the stars, but I'm wondering if it's too busy next to the tapestry, but it's still muted, being that it's just like really small silver stars and it's white. But let me know what you guys think. I might, as Sean and I were just saying, like, I think I told you guys the rod that we got didn't fit like right up here. It had to go on the wall that was like behind the doorway. So it looks a little bit funny if you're like close up, but I do think the length is really good, and I do really like the curtain, and I think it still looks pretty. I don't know, I feel like it could be pretty at night, even if I had some like twinkly lights around this doorway or something. That could be really, really kind of like majestic, even though, you know, it's literally just a closet. The bottom half is Sean's stuff that he keeps here, and then the top half, that's his hats, and then the top stuff is like my jackets. I'm not sure, you guys. I'm not sure if I'm bad at this. Like, I can't decide. I'm very indecisive about this. Although I am really happy with the colors in the tapestry. I think it looks amazing hung up. I think it might be a little bit busy for everything I have going on in my room, but at the same time, it's like, I still kind of like the way it ties in with the pinks that I have. Do you guys think I have too much color going on in here, and I have like too much that I'm trying to do in here, and I should maybe make things more kind of calm? Is the camera zoomed in right now? I don't know why my camera was zoomed in. I feel like every time I do something in my house, I'm like, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Does this look bad? But I just am not that good at this stuff, honestly. Like, I just buy things that I think are cute, and I put them wherever like I think it will look good. But honestly, like, sometimes stuff doesn't work out, or sometimes it's just good to get other people's opinions. The only things I'm thinking about is maybe doing a rug on the floor of my room, but that's not something that I need to do anytime soon. Maybe in the future. And that's pretty much it.